Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a fourth time now here at Whitmore Lake Elementary in Whitmore Lake, Michigan. I've been to this school the most currently out of any other school here in the country, which is pretty cool. And just been an amazing relationship with all the students and the staff, because we've started from my bullying topic, moved into diversity, positive life choices, and now we did the Capstone Leadership, focusing on turning our passion, what we love, what makes us come alive in our heart, just like the shirt in the shape of a heart, the peace sign, turn that passion into our purpose, our life's mission, and why we're here as strong leaders. And the reason that the shirt is different colors is because there's so many different ways to lead, right? As the vocal leader, that's kind of the one that's shouting and motivating, to the one that's just leading by their actions, kind of more humbly, more quietly. And any type of leadership is fine, but to know that we all have this power to make a difference, and it just takes a couple of seconds. So the focus today, we talked about Dr. King's quote, what are you doing for others? And when we start to answer that question, we start to kind of think about, yes, it's important to take care of ourselves, and we talk about loving ourselves, which we've done in the previous assemblies here at Whitmore Lake. But today we took it up a notch and saying, how can we put people first? People first, things second, and remind them of their worth. We always talk about the M on all of our poems. M for miracle, upside down, W for Whitmore Lake, and for worthy of love, to give it and receive it. But so many kids had it drawn on their hands with a washable marker today, and they really get the concept, even at a young age, to know that it's so important to help other people around them, be the light to their hearts, and help them have hope and have healing, especially if they're feeling down from something that's going on in their life. A lot of students came up to me and they're dealing with something, whether it's a loss or whether it's some relationship that's a little bit broken right now, but they know that they still have a choice to still choose love, to still be like the bowling ball, have a strong foundation, stand for something, have strong principles. So one of the things that we talk about, obviously the bowling ball here in the bag, is that we want to be like a bowling ball, right? This person that, even though we move throughout life, things aren't really going to affect us because we have that strong foundation, strong character, and we stand for something, and not like the balloon where we just kind of go with the masses and go with the flow and just follow other people that might not be doing the right thing. But we need to do the right thing even when no one's watching. That's another big component that we talked about today, and the kids really got it. They really understand that as leaders, it's not about doing it because you're going to get a trophy or because you're going to get paid. It's because we do it because it's heavy on our hearts, and got the trophy here too, that we just, again, do it because this world needs us, and it needs leaders, especially our youth, to step it up and bring this kindness to this entire planet. Again, it was amazing seeing everybody again. I love all you guys. You're so much on my heart, always. And it was so great seeing your smiles again, and just seeing your hearts too today. As always, don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive updates on videos just like this one. Follow my journey all across the country by subscribing to the channel as well. Check out my website to learn more. You'll see the link pop up here, as well as another video playlist with some amazing clips on how I'm trying to heal America's heart one school at a time. Much love. Peace.